I'm Michelle Eggers, Senior Director of the SAS Customer Intelligence product line. SAS Customer Intelligence 360 is a place to get digital marketing insights and act on them. It includes two modules, 360 Discover and 360 Engage for interactions. In this demonstration, we will see how 360 Discover focuses on insight, capturing detailed information about every visitor interaction with your brand, both customers and prospects. What they search for, what they see, what they experience. Today we'll be acting as a marketer or business analyst at a financial services company. Let's take a look. As the marketer logs into Customer Intelligence 360, they have all of their tools at their fingertips. The same interface supports both 360 Discover and 360 Engage. Today we're going to start with the data collection process. We want to ensure the website is properly tagged to collect customer data. These first steps are ones that a website administrator would likely be doing to support the environment so that the business can effectively analyze their customers. Data collection is controlled globally by a simple collection server configuration. This way, personally identifiable information, or PII, and privacy regulations can be enforced centrally, without dependencies on developers or technology. Collection at the browser is accomplished by adding one JavaScript insert to the website that never changes. As you can see in the data collection control, you can modify which events are collected by default on mobile and desktop browsers, including event types like form submitted, media played, form field interactions, link clicks, etc. This gives you control whether data is collected for each of these event types. This is important, especially given PII considerations. This will allow you to manage centrally what you do and do not capture. Now that we've tagged our site and set our data collection control, let's watch what happens when a user interacts with our digital property. Now, for demo purposes, we'll be using this SAS for Finance website, which simulates some of the features of a typical customer-facing financial services site. This simulator on the left shows you what pieces of information are being captured throughout this customer session. You can see that activity is being captured by the system as they navigate the site. For example, you can see on the left how they viewed the page for savings accounts. All of the data captured is reflected as part of the individual journey. Now that I've collected the data, you'll want to transform it into meaningful metrics that matter to you and your organization. You can see some of the configuration types to choose from. Now remember, it's not enough to have captured all that data. Finding a way to classify it into meaningful business metrics is key to driving value. Now let's go ahead and switch gears and see some of those insights that a marketer or business analyst can gain. With 360 Discover, you can visualize, explore, and analyze the data using SAS's leading analytical capabilities. Marketers gain insights by viewing analyses including customer segmentation, digital traffic by source, decision tree analysis, and pathing analysis, to name a few. In addition to the digital data, you can easily combine the online data you have gathered with a broader set of customer data to get a more complete view of your customers and their behavior. That's where the real value comes in, when you can see an omni-channel picture of your customers. To illustrate, you can do things like overlay visitor product interest with your customer segment view, or use visualization to analyze the paths that customers take through your website. There are dozens of standard insights that will jumpstart you to finding the insights that drive value to your organization. As you've seen, SAS 360 Discover allows you to gather and analyze online data and incorporate additional offline data to have a full 360-degree view of your customers. It's geared towards value-driven insights that help you engage your customers with confidence. If you found that interesting, I recommend you check out the SAS 360 Engage demo video to learn how to test, target, and optimize your digital customer experiences. I'm Michelle Eggers. Thanks for joining me.